not only for weight loss and fat burn. Ginger is a really valuable gift. Here are some usages for it. Number 1. The most common way: make a ginger tea to help in losing weight. Number 2. Prepare ginger tea. Bring a washcloth, dip it in the tea, and compress on the pain. On bones or muscles, it will relieve the pain, as well as putting the washcloth on abdomen to ease digestion or period pain. Number 3. You can prepare ginger candy at home.
Peel and slice ginger, boil it for 30 minutes, drain from water, while keeping 2 cups, then back to the pot. And add 2 cups of sugar, simmer for another 30, then drain it. And you can soak it in sugar. It's easy, and here are detailed instructions to follow.
The candy are portables, easy to use. It can help you in the situation like motion sickness, nausea. Number 4. Instruction, and you can get rid of cough and respiratory problems easy, especially when you have a picky child. Number 5. The oil. Need to slice ginger and let it dry for 24 hours in the air, then boil it with oil for 2 hours on low heat, then strain it, let cool in dry place. As a spicy herb, ginger oil stimulate the scalp to grow hair, kill bacteria, to remove dandruff, but you must mix it with carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil to avoid inflammation. This oil, you can apply it on skin to relieve pain, but don't forget to dilute it with carrier oil. Also, you can use few drops on the water while relaxing in the tube. Number 6. Pure water. You will get rid of coldness, reduce swelling feet, improve blood circulation, and have happy sleep. Number 8. Ginger fizz. You need to add carbonate water to the ginger tea after cooling down, then you can enjoy the benefits in refreshing atmosphere.
Number 9. The medical vinegar, not only by apple cider, but also with ginger. The main idea is to add herb and honey to vinegar, and here a natural medicine. Read the shown instructions to prepare it, but don't give it for newborn.
Some called it ginger beer as they add active yeast for it, but still have same benefits.
And we finished. My appreciation for those who reached that point. Tell me if you learned something new, and see you in the next video.